Hey everybody, Sean here at Laurel Ranch. Good to see y'all again. Thanks for tuning in. So I'm out here with Cade, my man on the camera. Give a shout out, Cade.
What's up, guys?
So you can see here we're on this old. Hey Zeke, leave it. Sorry, Zeke's chasing the cat. So this is our old OG goat pen. We had all these, or not goat pen, cow pen. So this was the OG before the barn was ready, and we got cows before we were supposed to get cows. And so we took the cattle panels off already and moved those over. But these T-posts have to come out. And so, you know, the T-posts, you can just pull them out by hand. But, man, if anybody's ever done that, it's a lot of work. And sometimes they come out easy. Other times they don't. Cade's laughing at me. What? That didn't work very
That was just so funny.
Oh, okay. So that one came out. All right, so there we go. But sometimes they are really hard to come out. And I've actually seen online they have like some manual levers that you can use to get these out of the ground. We were just pulling them out by hand, but sometimes when you're rocking them back and forth like that to loosen them up, you bend the T-post, right? And you don't want to do that. And especially out here, some of these we have drilled holes into rock, and those suckers are in there. And so they're almost impossible to pull out by hand. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna pull these out. This is a lot quicker. Just have the pallet forks on the tractor, and I've done this with a chain, but I have this tow rope, so I'm gonna give that a try today. But simply here, all we're gonna do is just put the rope on one of the tractor things, wrap this around a couple times, and then on the other, and then we're just gonna lift up with the tractor. And when you lift up, then it just cinches this down and pulls that T-post right out of the ground. So that's what we're gonna do today. We'll give it a try here real quick. And this one, I think should come out pretty easy. Actually, I wonder, we'll move to one of the other ones as well. So, I don't know, Kate, can you handle the camera and doing the strap?
Sure.
We'll knock a couple of them out. Does that sound good?
That works.
All right. Reba's peeing on the hay on the ground. Good job, Reba. Hey, she's pregnant. She had to go. So. Okay, so I was a little afraid of that. I've always done this with a chain, never done it with a strap. I was kind of worried maybe it wouldn't grab on, but let's try it. I pulled the tractor too far back.
Okay.
And now we have the tractor issue.
There you go.
already just manhandling that one. Some of them are easy to get out. You can see like that last one, some of them are not. So the easy ones we'll pull by hand, the ones that are not, we're gonna pull by tractor. All right, got those all out. Didn't take long at all. Some of them were pretty far in there. But you see, got everything out of there. So looking good, got everything cleaned up. Got this all back to normal ground without any hazards for the animals. So super excited about that. So I think before I said, I don't know how we do anything around here without a tractor. There was some that were in there, like torqued out the hydraulics on the tractor. And so we really actually ended up having to bend up a T-post getting it out of there, but there's no way that the sucker was coming out by hand. Maybe a hand winch, you know, would have come out, but tractor, super handy. Pallet forks, once again, super handy. Made a job that would have taken a lot longer, really easy to do. Also putting those T-posts in with the tractor is so much easier than putting them in with like the manual banger thing. We found that out. Last time we did fencing as well. So, all right, we're gonna go drop these back by the barn, and we're gonna get on with some other projects today, putting some plywood in the floor of the barn. So that's what we got going on. Appreciate you guys. Thanks again for tuning in. Love to hear from you. Love to hear some comments, see what you guys think of these videos. Love to have you subscribe, share with your friends. We're always doing some crazy stuff. You can see at the beginning, a little crazy. All the animals were really interested in what we were doing. But that happens a lot. Sometimes things go well, sometimes they don't go well, but that's right. We just keep going. That's all for today. Catch you guys later. Bye.